Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. And today we will be discussing about how to live a magnificent life. Most people want to live a magnificent life, a life which is full of achievement, a life which is full of growth, a life which is full of wealth, and maybe time freedom to do what you want to do the way you want to do. However, very few can achieve this because striking the right balance between your professional life, personal life, relationships is sort of difficult. Somewhere we need to prioritize one thing on other. And as our life progresses, this decision of prioritizing the task or prioritizing our wants and needs often changes. This is a very wide area of topic when we talk about magnificent life, successful life, an amazing life, because people often have their own definitions for the same. What I have done is I've tried to simplify this entire thing into 3 P's that will help you live a magnificent life. Number 1 is your professional achievements. Now, professional achievements are actually the building blocks which a person builds for himself or herself so that they feel the sense of achievement, the sense of success. Professional achievements are very important in the life because they drive us. They drive us to do better, they drive us to progress further, they drive us to think creatively and maybe look forward for the reward and recognition for yourself, for the society, for your community, and so on. Whenever you are working or in a profession, the achievement will ensure that there is a competitive spirit that is built in you. This competitive spirit results into growth. It does have its own advantage and disadvantages, but the way you take care of your professional achievements in the life, that will give you a booster of energy so that you can progress and also have a progressive attitude in the coming time. Nowadays, a lot of people talk about, happiness comes first and spirituality comes first and so on. However, we all are human beings and we have come down to this particular planet to actually experience being human. And when we talk about being human, achievement, rewards, recognition, emotional connect, all these becomes a very important factor. And that is why a person always has a dream, a desire to achieve something. It doesn't matter whether it is a tangible thing that you are looking for or an intangible thing you're looking for, whether it is a car, bike, or a promotion that you're looking for. But the fact is that you are looking forward for something, which means the life is still alive inside you. Professional achievements ensures that this energy continues to grow and there is the liveliness in your life. So never ever ever in your life underestimate the power of professional achievements. A small presentation gone well in an office and a round of applause from the colleague also increases the happiness element inside us to a very great extent. And the more of which we do will not only add life to our years but years to our life as well. Number 2, personal growth. You must have heard a lot about personality development, where people talk about how you can improvise your personality, how you can look better, how you can talk better, how you can converse better, how you can strike a conversation better, how you can come across well, how can be presentable, so on and so forth. However, these elements comprise of the things that are peripheral. When we talk about personal growth, the real difference is we are talking about the growth that is inside out. Personal growth is nothing but a process where you push yourself harder to grow further and progress to explore the highest potential that you have. As a human being, we all are unique and we have a lot of unique capabilities to do unique things in this world. Though there is a lot of routine stuff attached to it, but I firmly believe that every single person, if tries to dive inside and figure out what is it that he is meant for, he will eventually find something creative that he can do further. And ladies and gentlemen, that is fueling your personal growth. Do you feel happy from inside? It's personal growth. Do you feel satisfied from inside? This is personal growth. Do you feel that you want to contribute to the society because now you know certain things? This is personal growth. Do you want to contribute with your knowledge by giving charity or whatever it is? This is where a human being grows from inside and goes on the path of spiritual realization of how he or she is going to explore his more potential and live the life in the coming years that they have. Second most important P is the personal growth that will help you live a magnificent life. Number three, third P of living a magnificent life is purposeful action. A lot of time when we do certain things, we don't think much. We just do it because somebody has told us to do. We just do it because it is how it is done. We generally do it because boss has told us, or our parents have told us, or a relationship partner have told us, and so on. We often miss out on asking a question to ourselves: what is the purpose behind this action? What am I going to get? Whether it's going to be any kind of a tangible reward or intangible reward, or we are doing it for satisfaction of someone else. The purpose behind the action is very important. Purposeful action is based upon belief, faith inside that act. Purposeful action talks about the belief and the faith that you have for that particular action. Anything done with 100% belief, faith, and with the right intention gives us a positive energy, and that results into success of that action that we are actually trying to do. Doing action or doing certain things the way because other people are doing is a very common way of living life. It's a very average and a mediocre way of doing things. But if you want to live a magnificent life with a magnificent mindset that you have, you need to change the purpose behind doing a certain action. Whenever we are getting into an action, ask yourself why you are doing what you are doing. To give you a simple example, it's very easy nowadays to probably shoot certain videos and put it on the YouTube or monetize and stuff like that. But you want to know purpose why I am trying to do it? Because we at Magic Institute of Excellence have a vision to increase the employability of the youths of India. Because we have seen that irrespective of taking good college, irrespective of going to graduation colleges or MBA colleges, any other colleges, the formal education is not allowing people to think beyond and out of the box. It is not helping people actually to grow their employability. Then why are we going for education? Think about it. This is the purpose with which we started Magic Institute of Excellence, to bring in transformation in mindset of people towards education. Now, conducting training is the action part, but why we conduct the training defines the purposeful action. Any training that you will attend under Magic Institute of Excellence banner, you will realize that there's a lot of passion, energy, thoughtful content and result-oriented content that is delivered to students. Purposeful action gives meaning to life. Ladies and gentlemen, this was the third thing that will help you to live magnificent life. What is your definition of magnificent life? What are the three things which you consider as the most important part to live a magnificent life? I would love to know that. Please comment that in the comment box so that we can have a nice interaction in the chat as well. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure this video has helped you and you will follow these particular steps and three process where it will help you to lead a magnificent life. This was my small contribution which can add to your knowledge portfolio and to your action portfolio as well. This is Prathamesh Veling signing off until we meet for the next video.